Hey guys, good morning. I got something neat for you today. It's a typical Mondays. They always have their ups and downs. Today, mine had an up and down. We have a new bus. It's a we got a 2012 ICBE with the wheelchair lift with Max Force 7.
And it just turned the corner.
And that's 1903. Oh, sorry, Ellie. I don't want to get you in the camera. Do you want to say hi? You want to say hi, Ellie?
Hi, go take a face in the camera.
We got Gordon. We got Nico. We got Freddie.
Freddie, go take a face in the camera.
Say hi, Freddie. Hi.
Take a face in the camera.
And behind me, we got Marcos. And right behind Marcos is Henry. I can't get you guys. Yeah, we're on bus 258. I know bus 258. I've been in that bus before. What?
I'm so sorry, but I have to leave. I gotta get the food shot.
What did you say, Ellie?
I have to have food shot, Nico.
When?
Today.
So are you gonna be on the bus this afternoon?
Probably not, Nico.
Okay.
You can tell on... Nico, don't get a face in the camera. Nico, can you do it for us?
But I have a video. I have a camera on.
Nico, what's your nice name?
Yeah, just face it this way, okay? Why don't you face it this way? Face it this way.
Bus 72.
Why do we get up at door 3? What is that? Yeah. Yeah.
And it's a rainy day today. Didn't you have a storm last night?
Yeah, there was a storm
Yeah, I
last
know,
night.
right?
Yeah, there was.
What was it, Freddie?
It was a thunderstorm.
Oh yeah, there was last night.
I was trying to...
Oh.
It looked like maybe drunk.
I- Ellie, I heard it too, you know? I think we all heard it.
This?
Ellie, I heard
This
it too.
song.
I heard it too. I know, I heard it too.
It's scary, yo.
It didn't really scare me though. No. Thunderstorms don't scare me. They don't scare me.
Friday.
What?
Remember the same place, correct?
Yeah, Mr. Wheatford.
No, that was
Nico, what is this here? What bus is this?
A Pace shuttle bus. I know it's wet.
on Holland and then people were stuck in Holland. Remember?
What does it say up there? We're in Mount Prospect, right? We're in Mount Prospect, what? What state are we?
This bus driver, what?
Nico, what state are we in?
Illinois. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I asked something that
We finally got 258. I know. When I was a sophomore, I rode on 258. So it was since I was sophomore.
Sophomore year.
Yeah, and now I ride on it, and I also ride on it for a couple months in for my junior year, and now I'm a senior. Now I get to ride on it for my senior. That's right, Marcos. Something that is so different than I remember. I mean, this bus is such comfortable, but now we don't have enough seats, right? Because it's not enough seats. Yeah, I think there is enough seats now. The garbage. No, but the bus is so. Okay. Well, right now. I can Cerrone under. Island Cerrone. Yeah, I know Island Cerrone. Yeah, we're driving in the rain. Alright guys, I'm gonna bring my truck to our stop. I'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, we are now going to school now in this 2012 ICBE with the Max 47 run. Drop buses. If you don't see me, please use them. Yeah. Tiny? Yeah. You know, Nico. A girl. Yep. Almost Halloween coming up soon. Yeah, almost Halloween. Yep, I'm so excited. You can dress up like Colonel Sanders.
Decorate this year.
Harry Potter.
Colonel Sanders.
I'm gonna be Harry Potter.
Like Superman?
I'm gonna be Harry Potter. Who are you gonna be?
Like Superman?
Who is Eliza?
Superman?
Is that what you like to be? Girl.
Kevin Brassel! Kevin Brassel! Kevin Brassel! Kevin Brassel!
morning. 258.
Superman.
Alright guys, that's it.